A system restore point is a safety feature in Windows. It saves your system settings, drivers, and important files so you can go back in time if something goes wrong. Before installing any software or Windows updates, do this one important thing first. A restore point helps you roll back your PC if something goes wrong. Click the Start menu, search Create a Restore Point, and open it. Select your main drive, usually C drive, and turn System Protection on. Now click Create, give it a name you'll remember, and click Create again. That's it. Your Windows Restore Point is ready. Click the Start menu again, type Create a Restore Point, and open it. Don't worry. Windows has a powerful feature called System Restore to fix this easily. Click the Start menu again, type Create a Restore Point, and open it. Now click on System Restore. This will take your system back to an earlier healthy state. Select the restore point created before the problem started, then click Next. Confirm the restore point. Your computer will restart automatically. Please wait. Windows is restoring your system. This may take a few minutes. Done. Your system is restored successfully. If this video helped you, like, share, and follow for more easy tech tips.